Alright, let's get into this. When the topic of stopping power comes up, 9 times out of 10 people immediately think of tactical rifles, ARs, AKs. Something with a shoulder stock and a long barrel. But here's the reality check most folks miss. There are revolvers on the market right now. True hand cannons that are so powerful and so heavily over-engineered, they don't just rival common rifles. They flat layout surpass them in raw ballistic energy. We're not talking about your grandfather's old snubble-a-nose revolver. These are purposely built machines, engineering marvels designed from the ground up to control cartridges, created for one mission, only stopping the biggest, most dangerous game on the planet. These are rounds capable of dropping a charging Cape Buffalo or punching through hardened barriers like they barely exist. Tonight we're stepping into that high-pressure world, where a wheel gun can flex more raw muscle than a lot of long guns. These firearms aren't about compromise, they're about delivering overwhelming, uncompromising force in a package you can carry on your hip. Number 8. The Colt Anaconda is a modern revival of a legendary large frame revolver, blending classic American craftsmanship with contemporary engineering to deliver exceptional power, precision, and durability. Chambered in formidable magnum calibers, it is built around a robust stainless steel frame designed to handle heavy loads while maintaining balance and control, giving shooter confidence with every trigger pull. The Anaconda features a smooth, refined double-action trigger alongside a crisp single-action brake, making it equally capable for defensive use, hunting, or range shooting. Its ventilated rib barrel and precision cut rifling enhance accuracy and heat dissipation, while the adjustable rear sight and high visibility front sight allow for quick target acquisition in varied lighting conditions. Ergonomically contoured grips provide a secure, comfortable hold that tames recoil and supports extended shooting sessions, and the overall fit and finish reflect Colt's renewed focus on tight tolerances and long-term reliability. Number 7. The Nighthawk Custom Korth NXS is a pinnacle of precision engineering and elite revolver craftsmanship. Born from a collaboration between American custom builder Nighthawk and German master gunsmiths at Korth, this extraordinary handgun combines a sleek, ergonomic design with robust, handgun-fitted components that elevate both performance and reliability. Machined from high-grade materials with meticulous attention to detail, the NXS offers an exceptionally smooth trigger pull and refined action that enhance accuracy and shooter confidence. Its balanced weight distribution and finely contoured grips reduce felt recoil and promote a natural point-lawfully aim, making it equally suited for competitive shooting, personal defense, or discerning range use. Number 6. The Taurus Raging Hunter 460 is a high-performance magnum revolver engineered for serious shooters who demand formidable power and rugged reliability in the field. Built on a robust, oversized frame with heavy lower-duty construction, it is chambered for the potent 460 SNW Magnum cartridge, delivering exceptional energy and long-range capability for hunting and outdoors application. The Raging Hunter's precision-machined barrel and crisp trigger system provide controlled, accurate follow-through, while its ported barrel and recoil-done mitigating grip design help tame the substantial kick of its powerful chambering. Thoughtfully configured sights ensure rapid, instinctive target acquisition in varied lighting and terrain, and the durable finish resists harsh environmental wear. Number 5. The Colt Python is one of the most iconic revolvers ever produced, renowned for its elegant design, exceptional accuracy, and legendary smoothness that set the benchmark for premium wheel guns. Built on a solid stainless steel frame with meticulous attention to fit and finish, the Python delivers outstanding durability while maintaining a refined, balanced feel in the hand. Its precisionally crafted barrel and advanced internal geometry contribute to remarkable accuracy and reduced felt recoil, making each shot feel controlled and deliberate. The revolver is celebrated for its famously smooth, double-action trigger and clean, predictable single-action brake, offering a shooting experience that feels both effortless and precise. Enhanced sights allow for fast target alignment, while the ergonomically designed grip provides comfort and stability during extended shooting sessions. Number 4. The Ruger Super Redhawk is a powerhouse revolver engineered for extreme strength, precision, and reliability, making it a trusted choice for hunters and serious magnum shooters. Built on an extended, reinforced stainless steel frame, it is designed to withstand high-pressure cartridges while maintaining excellent balance and long-term durability. The Super Redhawk features a solid, triple-locking cylinder system that enhances alignment and accuracy, paired with a smooth double-action trigger and a crisp single-action pull for confident, controlled shooting. Its heavy barrel design improves stability and reduces recoil, allowing for consistent performance even with powerful loads, while the adjustable sights provide precise target acquisition across varying distances and lighting conditions. Ergonomic grips absorb recoil effectively and ensure a secure, comfortable hold during extended use. With its rugged construction, dependable accuracy, and no-nonsense performance, the Ruger Super Redhawk stands as a purposely built revolver capable of handling the toughest shooting demands without compromise. Number 3. The Freedom Arms Model 83 is a legendary single-action revolver celebrated for its precision, craftsmanship, and unmatched durability, making it a top choice among serious shooters and big game hunters. Each Model 83 is meticulously handle-fitted and machined from premium materials, resulting in tight tolerances and a smooth, reliable action that delivers exceptional accuracy round after round. Its robust frame and cylinder are engineered to handle a wide range of powerful Magnum cartridges with confidence, while the crisp single-action trigger and finely tuned barrel harmonize to provide a consistent, controlled shooting experience. The revolver's ergonomically shaped grip promotes a solid, natural hold that enhances stability and recoil management, even with stout loads. Number 2. The Magnum Research BFR, Big Frame Revolver, is a commanding and rugged handgun designed for shooters who seek formidable power and precision in a large gun-frame platform. Engineered to handle some of the most potent revolver cartridges available, the BFR combines a beefy, high-strength frame with precision-machined components to deliver reliable, hard-hitting performance whether in the field or on the range. Its long, heavy barrel enhances accuracy and muzzle velocity, while the smooth, well-balanced trigger and ergonomically contoured grip promote controlled, confident shooting even with powerful loads. Adjustable sights allow for quick, precise target alignment across varying distances, and the revolver's robust construction stands up to repeated use in demanding conditions. Number 1. The Smith & Wesson Model 500 is a legendary large-frame revolver built to deliver extreme power, while maintaining precision, control, and mechanical integrity. Engineered around Smith & Wesson's massive frame, it is designed to safely handle one of the most powerful production handgun cartridges ever created, making it a dominant choice for handgun hunting and serious Magnum enthusiasts. The revolver's heavy stainless steel construction provides exceptional strength and durability, while its precision-leveled barrel and compensator system help manage recoil and muzzle rise, allowing for more controlled follow-up shots despite its immense power. A smooth double-action trigger paired with a crisp single-action break enhances accuracy and shooter confidence, while the adjustable rear sight and heightened visibility front sight ensure precise target alignment at extended distances. Ergonomic grips are carefully shaped to absorb recoil and provide a secure, stable hold even under intense firing conditions.